Good morning, everyone. This is the 7.3.6 activities, namely Switch It, under the Cisco Networking Academy. The instruction in the activity is determine how the switch forwards a frame based on the source MAC address or physical address, the destination MAC address, and information in the switch MAC table. Answer the question using the information provided. So based on the frame, the destination MAC is 0E. Now, the question 1 is states that where will the switch forward the frame? Looking at the frame information, the destination MAC address is 0E. Now, let's check the MAC table. We'll see that the MAC address is 0E associated with the interface FA9. So we will check FA9. Question 2. When the switch forwards the frame, which statements are true? As we can see, switch adds the source MAC address, which is currently not in the MAC address table. Frame is a broadcast frame and will be forwarded to all ports. Frame is a unicast frame and will be sent to specific port only. Frame is a unicast frame and will be flooded to all ports. Frame is a unicast frame, but it will be dropped at the switch. The correct answer here is frame is a unicast frame and will be sent to a specific port only. Since the destination MAC address, namely 0E, is a specific address and the switch has an entry for it in its MAC table, the frame will only be sent to the port associated with that MAC. Now let's move on to another set of problems. Question 1. Where will the switch forward the frame? Since the destination map is FF, this means that the frame is a broadcast frame and will be forwarded to all ports. So let's just check. FA1 is 0A, FA3 is 0B, FA5 is 0C, FA7 is 0D. However, we will not be checking FA9 because it will not be forwarded to the same PC or switch. Then, question 2, when the switch forwards the frame, which statements are true? Frame is a broadcast frame and will be forwarded to all ports because the destination map again is FF. This is another set of problems. Question 1. Where will the switch forward the frame? Since the destination MAC is 0A, and we can see that in the MAC table, FA1 is connected to 0A. So we will check FA1. Question 2. When the switch forwards the frame, which statements are true? So this is the first statement that is true. Switch adds a source MAC address which is currently not in the MAC address table. Why is this? Because the source MAC address is 0B, and as we can see, MAC table, there are no 0, only 0A, which is connected to FA1. Then, since the destination MAC is 0A is also in the MAC table, this means that the frame is a unicast frame and will be sent to a specific port only. Now let's check. And as you can see, our answers are correct. That will be all for this activity. My name is Don Ernest Santos and have a great day ahead.